channel, Think About Styles. So if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And you can also check out our merch. There's a link in the description, or you can go to thinkaboutstyles.com. So we're adding a segment in our channel. It's called TikTok Dance Tutorial. Yes, I do have TikTok. If you haven't followed me, my account is Yani, and I do dance there. I do some dances, some tutorials, and some funny stuff too. But anyway, so I have a few followers on TikTok who requested to do a part-by-part tutorial of a TikTok dance. So in this video, I'm gonna do Booty Wurk choreographed by Niana Guerrero. So let's go! We're gonna do this part by part based on the lyrics of the song. So the first line, come on baby, keep on doing what you're doing. So the first step on that one is the intro. Roll your arms. Then move your hands on your hips. Move your right foot to the left in front of your left leg. Move your left foot to the left. Clap. Hold your hands together. Move your left foot to the right, then your right foot. Move your hands from left to right, the front, and then clap. Now let's try the first part. Take off. Come on, baby. Keep on doing what you're doing. And that's your part one. Part two goes, girl, I'm trying to get you next to me. So in this part, move your feet apart for the arm movements. Right, left, right, right. Let's do it again. Feet apart, bend, then right, left, right, right. Now let's combine all together. So from the intro, take off. Come on, baby. Keep on doing what you're doing. Girl, I'm trying get you next to me. Part two, done. Part three goes, but first you gotta let me see that booty work, booty work. Right foot to the left, right, back, lift your left foot, then step right. Hands on the hips, then sway your hips. Let's try again. But girl, you gotta let me see that booty work, booty work. Now let's combine again. Intro. Take off. Come on, baby. Keep on doing what you're doing. Girl, I'm trying to get you next to me, but first you gotta let me see that booty work, booty work. There you go. Part 3, done. Part 4 is booty, booty work. Footwork, hop left, right, left, right, left, right. Arms left first, then right. Now combine the two. Left, right. So this part is booty work, booty work. Combinations for this one is hop, cross legs, arms cross, feet apart and arms apart, then clap. Now let's combine everything again. Intro. Take off. Come on, baby. Keep on doing what you're doing. Girl, I'm trying get you next to me, but first you gotta let me see that booty work, booty work, booty boo boo booty work, booty work, booty work. And that's our part 4. Done. Part 5 is boo 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 booty work. Combination for this one: arms extended, hands facing out, right arm down, left arm up, then do the opposite. For the footwork, right leg to the right and bend the left leg and then do the opposite. So here's a combination of the footwork and the arm. Step back and put your hands on your hips. Now let's combine all together again. Intro. Take off. Come on, baby. Keep on doing what you're doing. Girl, I'm trying get you next to me, but first you gotta let me see that booty work, booty work, booty boo boo booty work, booty work, booty work, boo 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 booty work. That's our part 5 done. Now we're on the last part. Feet apart, and then you vibe. Arm roll. So on this part, the lyrics is go ahead. And then after this, you do the doggy twice, and then nay nay. Now let's combine all the steps all together. Intro. Take off. Come on, baby. Keep on doing what you're doing. Girl, I'm trying get you next to me, but first you gotta let me see that booty work, booty work, booty boo boo booty work, booty work, booty work, boo 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 booty work. Go ahead. Then go ahead. There you go. Now do the dance on TikTok. Whew, that was fun. So if you have any other requests or dances that you want to learn, please type in the comments, or you can also direct message me on my TikTok. Look for Yan Yanny. See you next time. Thank you for watching.